In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture we see a group of 6 young adults celebrating a birthday. They are standing close together around a table with a birthday cake. The cake has 7 lit candles in different colors. In the center of the group is a girl wearing red heart-shaped sunglasses. She is smiling and looks like the person having the birthday. Everyone around her is smiling, laughing, and looking at the camera. Most of them are holding glasses with white wine or champagne. The people are wearing fun party hats and some have silly party props. The girl on the right has a red paper mouth on a stick near her face. The man in the middle is wearing a white shirt with suspenders and a bow tie. He looks cheerful and is raising his glass for the photo. The people seem to be good friends who enjoy the moment together. The background shows a modern, cozy restaurant or café. There are hanging lights and drawings on the wall. The room is warmly lit, creating a fun and happy atmosphere. Everyone looks relaxed, playful, and full of energy. The birthday girl has long brown hair and wears a black dress with white dots. She is sitting in front of the cake, ready to blow out the candles. The group is clearly having a lot of fun and celebrating with joy. This picture shows how nice it is to celebrate with friends. It reminds us of the value of laughter, connection, and good times. The photo is colorful, positive, and full of life. It captures a special moment that the people will remember. I think the picture sends a clear message of happiness and friendship. It shows how important it is to enjoy the little moments in life. Birthdays are more than gifts, they are about sharing joy with others.